This is all you need to convert your VHS tapes to your computer. You will need to pick up one of these video cards from eBay. They're really cheap, just a few quid, and you'll get the driver with it as well. They will have an S-lead cable attached to them as well if your VHS player uses this or camcorder, etc. But you will need a phono lead and a SCART converter if your VHS player uses SCART. And all you do, just checking I'm in focus still, is match the colours on your phono leads to the colours. And if you buy a cheaper video card, you might notice it's a bit flimsy, so be careful. And it's as simple as matching the colours. One is for video, so two are for video and one is for audio, but really you don't need to know which is which, because really it's just a case of matching the colours. You don't need to get that technical with it. And then that just slides in to the line 1 SCART socket on the back of your VHS player, and I'll show you that in a second. Just a quick note about your video card. It will be attached to your laptop or computer by USB leads, but when you're using the USB lead, if you're on a Mac or Tower desktop, then what you want to do is make sure that you're plugging it into the back of the computer and not through a USB hub or a port on the front of the PC tower. If you know which USB ports are 2.0 or 3.0 on your computer or laptop, then use those, because those are slightly faster for transmitting data. This is the back of my VHS player. When you plug your SCART converter in, you want to make sure that it's in your line 1 TV socket, not the line 3 in. It won't work through line 3 in, so if you're having problems, try switching it to the other one if they're not labelled. So open capture device under media. In caption mode, you will you'll want to make sure that you've got the 4th tab open, which says capture device, and in caption mode make sure it says a direct show. For a video source, you want to make sure that it's recognising your USB, and you'll need to select the USB, and it's the same for the audio if you've got audio that you're trying to pull across as well with your video. There are more advanced options. You can see there's options below, but they are optional. In advanced options in the middle there, you will want to set your video signal region, which is under video standard, and you'll want to select PAL_I for UK. You can also input your video frame rate if you know that. In Europe and in USA, you will have different selections you'll need to make for video standard, but UK is PAL_I. If you click play, you will just be playing the footage from the VHS player, so select convert, and you'll need to make sure that the source says dshow semicolon //. In settings, click convert, click de-interlace if you need to. My footage is poor, so I've selected that. And there's lots of different options for converting your video. You'll need to make the best option for you based on the footage that you've got and what you're trying to produce. You can actually create audio
from your source as well. If you click edit profile, you'll have a lot more customization options. You can change the video type, you can change the codec, put the bit rate, the quality, the audio codec, and add subtitles and all sorts of different things there. And you can change the resolution and the ratio as well. I didn't need to select any of these because the profile was okay for what I needed it for. So then I clicked browse and just typed my file name and selected the folder I wanted it to go into. Then you select start and it will begin playing. It will be playing not on your screen, but it will be saving it in the background. And you can tell this because you can see the little timer there. And when I click stop, it stops the footage and it's saved.